Hey everyone, I've got something really special for you today. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First, let's talk about the design. Sleek, stylish, and built to impress. It looks and feels premium. And get this, the price is unreal. You're getting top-tier quality without the crazy price tag. It's also insanely useful. Perfect for home, office, or even as a thoughtful gift. All the details are in the description, so go check it out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out.